Peel. Peel. Did you peel the apples? Did you peel the apples? Could you peel the carrots? Could you peel the carrots? Grate. Grate. Would you grate the cheese? Would you grate the cheese? Peel and grate the potatoes. Peel and grate the potatoes. Chop. Chop. He was chopping vegetables to make a stew. He was chopping vegetables to make a stew. Can you chop up some carrots for me? Can you chop up some carrots for me? Dice. Dice. Dice the carrots. Dice the carrots. Peel and dice the potatoes. Peel and dice the potatoes. Knead. Knead. Knead the dough for 3 minutes. Knead the dough for 3 minutes. Knead the dough until smooth. Knead the dough until smooth. Drain. Drain. Drain the pasta. Drain the pasta. Drain the rice. Drain the rice. Grease. Grease. Grease the pan. Grease the pan. Grease the pan before you pour the batter in. Grease the pan before you pour the batter in. Whisk. Whisk. Whisk the egg whites. Whisk the egg whites. Whisk the eggs with the cream. Whisk the eggs with the cream. Garnish. Garnish. Garnish the dish with parsley before serving. Garnish the dish with parsley before serving. Garnish each dish with a slice of lemon. Garnish each dish with a slice of lemon. Bake. Bake. Bake for 5 to 7 minutes in a preheated oven. Bake for 5 to 7 minutes in a preheated oven. I'm baking some bread. I'm baking some bread. Fry. Fry. I'm frying some fish. I'm frying some fish. Fry the potatoes for about 20 minutes. Fry the potatoes for about 20 minutes. Melt. Melt. Melt the chocolate slowly so that it doesn't burn. Melt the chocolate slowly so that it doesn't burn. Melt the butter in a saucepan. Melt the butter in a saucepan. Boil. Boil. Boil the rice for 15 minutes. Boil the rice for 15 minutes. I boiled some potatoes for dinner. I boiled some potatoes for dinner. Grill. Grill. Grill the bacon until crisp. Grill the bacon until crisp. Dad was grilling chicken in the backyard. Dad was grilling chicken in the backyard. Steam. Steam. Steam the vegetables lightly. Steam the vegetables lightly. Do you want me to steam the broccoli? Do you want me to steam the broccoli? Microwave. Microwave. You can heat it up under the grill or microwave it. You can heat it up under the grill or microwave it. I microwaved the sauce for 30 seconds so it was hot when poured over the fish. I microwaved the sauce for 30 seconds so it was hot when poured over the fish. Roast. Roast. Are you going to roast the chicken? Are you going to roast the chicken? Just roast the chicken in the oven and baste it in oil and lemon. Just roast the chicken in the oven and baste it in oil and lemon. Sift. Sift. Sift some powdered sugar on top of the cake. Sift some powdered sugar on top of the cake. When the cake is cooked, sift some icing sugar over the top of it. When the cake is cooked, sift some icing sugar over the top of it.